All right, ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now, and Wall Street finishing the month of August in style today, Richard.
Scott, you're absolutely right, and I don't think I could have said that on August 15th, but the last 2 weeks the market has been pretty strong, particularly tech stocks. The NASDAQ closed at a record high today. The NASDAQ has now been up 9 out of the last 10 months. And oh yes, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, that has now been up for 5 months in a row. So all in all, we certainly have had a darn good first 8 months of the year, and starting tomorrow, we'll see how month number 9 goes. But for today, darn good. Let's take a look. There you see the Dow up 60 points, just over 1/4% at 21,952.35. That on volume of 689 million shares. The NASDAQ, that's a record, 6428.66, up 60 points, almost 1%. Total volume, 1,606 million shares. And the S&P participated as well. The S&P for the day up 14 points, almost 0.6% at 2,471.55. Well, it might seem ironic on this day when everything was going up that I'm going to talk about a stock that lost 8% of its value and has lost 23% of its value before today. Campbell's Soup. Yes, people are actually eating less soup. People are now eating things that are fresh. Guess what? Campbell's Soup comes in a can. Many people in the cereal industry have found the same thing, where people are looking for items that are fresh. Campbell's Soup for the quarter, their sales were down, their earnings were down, and frankly, the expectations don't look too good. So the stock is down 31% for the year. Obviously, the market's been in just the opposite direction, so I think Campbell's executives have to go back to the drawing board, perhaps.
All right, think up some new products. And Richard, what about news on Tiffany?
Good news. One of their board of directors invested $4.4 million of his own money buying Tiffany stock. So I guess if you're on the board and you invest over $4 million, you must think that company is doing something very right.
Must so. All right, thank you, Richard.
You're welcome.